Hey guys, welcome back to PED 110. This week we are getting into my favorite part of health related fitness, and that is muscular strength and endurance. And so in this chapter, we'll talk about what the two are because they are two different things. Muscular strength is how much force you can exert basically one time, and endurance, obviously, is your ability to execute those movements over and over again for a duration of time. Um, the book will cover all of that, and we'll also introduce exercises that works on both. Okay, and so this week's pretty regular as usual, just a routine week. We've got a checklist, this video, your PowerPoint, your quiz, your lab, and then your physical activity monitoring report. We'll take a quick look at your lab. You have two components to it: measuring muscular endurance. And so here you can do the push-up and curl-up test. And once you click on that link, of course, it'll tell you how to complete the test. And then here we have the measuring core strength and stability. Both are pretty simple activities or tests that don't really require a great deal of effort. Um, but it would give you an idea of where you currently are when it comes to muscular endurance and core strength. All right, guys, have a great week. As always, I'm here for you if you need me. Just shoot me an email. Take care and live well.